Hey positive vibes, welcome back to my channel. My hair is so damaged. I cut it, I dyed it, and now I'm just trying to get all my little hair back. But today in this video, I will be doing a crochet hairstyle using the illusion method. To begin, start off with freshly washed hair. I'll be showing you how I do the first 2 rows, and throughout the rest of the video, the hairstyle is pretty much just repeated.
Makeup, something I had to earn, but it's water in the morning and letting my body learn. This clean skin, soft light, this rest that shows in my eyes. It's how I hold my shoulders when I stop living rushed. I don't chase it, I make space for it. I come back to myself. Feel it, that's a woman's glow. When I'm calm, it gets realer. That's a woman's glow. When I take my time, it's a light I don't chase, it's a light I find. The real glow comes from inside. When I don't need a proof, when I say no without guilt, and I still keep my peace. It's being kind, staying sharp. It's knowing what I allow. It's moving slow on purpose and standing solid now. I protect my energy. I don't pour it out for free. I keep my center. That's a woman's glow. Not loud, but you can feel it. That's a steady, I don't beg the world to see. I don't need the room to crown me. I know what's in me. That's a woman's glow. It's health and it's healing. That's a woman's glow. It's truth and it's meaning. That's a right, it's a light I don't chase, sense of my own light. Capri Luna, Capri Luna, Capri Luna, Capri Luna.
I really love this crochet method because it makes people think you actually braided your hair for like 7 hours, when really only took about an hour, maybe 2, but even maybe less than that, depending on how fast you can do some crochet. I got the first row down. Now I'm going to do the second row and then a couple more rows in the front in individual braids to get that illusion look. Now it look like an alien. An alien. Nope. On a serious note, so this dude roll, it works magic. I do have to use it very frequently. As you can see, it's almost gone because I'm not playing no games with this oil and I need it to work. I've been using it for years and years and years. Don't forget to massage that scalp, baby. You have to do that. That's the main thing you need to do, massage your scalp with that oil. Now moving on to the crochet hair. I got this hair from Amazon. I used all 8 packs. I was not playing around. I needed full. It came with the crochet needles, some beads to put in your hair, and of course the crochet hair. Don't mind my scalp. I know it's thin. It's been thin this whole video, so don't even get started. But this hair is so beautiful. It's an ombre. I love a good ombre effect. If you don't know anything about crocheting your hair, this may not be the type of video you're going to keep up with because this is not a tutorial. This is more like a monkey see, monkey do. Just kidding. I will demonstrate. So first you want to get your crochet pieces right. Put the crochet needle through the braid. Latch the top of the loop of the crochet hair. Pull the hair through. And then that's that. Hopefully that makes sense. I thought I had more footage of me actually doing my hair in the mirror in the room, but I do not. But as you can see, I'm halfway there, almost done.